Hey there, future business moguls. Ready to take your first steps toward forming an LLC and setting up your dream business? You've come to just the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to form a limited liability company, or LLC. Whether you're new to the entrepreneurial world or looking to protect your personal assets, trust me, you're in for a treat. First up, why an LLC? An LLC provides both flexibility and protection, two crucial elements for any successful business. It keeps your personal assets safe and gives you the freedom to run your business your way. Step 1. Choose a unique business name. Make sure it's catchy and, more importantly, available. Check your state's business name database to confirm it's not already taken. Next, you need a registered agent. This is the person or service that will handle all legal documents for your LLC. It's a must-have, so choose wisely. Now, on to filing your articles of organization. This is the official paperwork that establishes your LLC with the state. It might sound daunting, but most states make this process pretty straightforward. Don't forget about an operating agreement. While not always required, it's a good idea. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC, preventing future conflicts. Lastly, stay compliant with state-specific requirements. Each state has its own rules, so make sure you understand and follow them to keep your LLC in good standing. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to forming an LLC and securing your business future. Not only will you gain protection, but you'll also boost your credibility and simplify your taxes. Ready to dive deeper into each step? Click on our full course link below and take control of your business journey today. Let's make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Catch you in the next video.